All right, hey everybody. This is going to be my video lesson on your new music. You may or may not have worked on this in class. Um, Either way, I'm going to be starting this kind of from the very beginning, talking about 6/8 time. This will be a nice review. If you've already got 6/8 time down and you've got it, you're just wanting to work on the piece. You can skip ahead to wherever you want. But right now, I'm just going to talk about just reviewing how we play and how we count and go through 6/8 time. So normally, most of our music is what we call it common time, which is 4/4, and we all know that means like the top number 4 tells us how many beats there are in a measure: 4 quarter notes, 2 half notes, a whole note, whatever. And this bottom one, which we kind of tend to forget about just because we're used to it always being there. Remember, this tells us how, like, which note gets the beat. And in this case, it's the quarter note. Like, we can think of, like, if imagine this like a fraction. A quarter note, 1/4, that gets the beat. So every time we see a quarter note, that's what's getting the beat. So keep that in mind. And now we are moving on. We're talking about 6/8 time, which is what the Ships of Ireland is written in. So right now we know we have 6 beats in a measure, but what the big change here is the fact that our bottom number is now 8. All right, so now think back. 4/4 time we talked about the quarter note gets the beat, and it looked like 1/4 a quarter. So with this 8 here at the bottom is that the 8th note is actually what's getting the beat. So every single 8th note, it's a little long. Every single 8th note is what we're counting as one beat, and we will have 6 8th notes in one measure. Now, where 6/8 times start, I know this has all been a little bit confusing, but where it starts getting a little weird is the way we count 6/8 time. So whenever we have 6/8 time, let me get rid of all this. Usually our 8th notes are grouped up into groups of 3, kind of like triplets. If you remember counting triplets, triplet, triplet, triplet. So here is going to be one measure of 6/8 time. And the way we'd count this, each one of these, of course, is an eighth, and it's going to get one beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our strong beats are going to be beats 1 and beats 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here again is where that triplet feel comes in. Triplet, 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 triplet. And then we can put that like when we're playing with a metronome. Let me pull up my metronome here. So what this metronome is giving us, and what you'll hear me playing along with in Ships of Ireland, is actually beats 1 and 4. Otherwise, you're going to have like a crazy amount of clicks going on for every single one of these beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is what that metronome is telling us right there. So just kind of looking through our piece real quick. This is the violin 1 part. You all may have some other variations of this. But we got to kind of do a little bit of math. Remember, quarter notes getting 2 eighth notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So that is kind of just a quick little recap of how we would end up counting those. If you're still needing a little bit more practice on this before you jump into the piece, I'd recommend looking in your book. There's a section in there on 6/8 time, and you can kind of like read through some real simple exercises, kind of get the feel for it, and then whenever you're ready, jump back in. I'll have video lessons on all of your parts. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys out. If you're still confused, remember I've got my office hours. If you're in Dr. James's class, he has his. You're always welcome to message either of us. We can even, set up video chat with you if you kind of want more one-on-one. You're still confused. We're here to help you out. So anyway, good luck. And stay safe, guys. Hopefully, see you soon.